Hello everyone, this is your Kalpana. Here in this video we are going to learn H.C.F, highest common factor, and we are going to see some problems on H.C.F. H.C.F, highest common factor. The H.C.F of two or more numbers in the greatest number which divides each of them exactly. It is also known as GCD, that is greatest common divisor. Okay, so what is HCF? The HCF of two or more numbers in the greatest number which divides each of them exactly. So number which divides each of them exactly. So HCF is also known as GCD, that is greatest common divisor. So HCF can be calculated by prime factorization method and division method. Okay, let's see a problem on prime factorization method. So we'll find HCF using prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 40 and 60 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So here what they asked us to do, to find the HCF of 40 and 60 by prime factorization method. So we'll consider these two numbers 40 and 60. 40 is exactly divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 0. Again 20 is exactly divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 0. 2 10s are 20. Again 10 is exactly divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. Again 5 is divisible by 5. Exactly divisible by 5. So now coming to 60. 60 is exactly divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 0. Again 30 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. And 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. Again 5 is exactly divisible by 5. Okay. So now we have to find the common factors of 40 and 50. 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 and 5. So common factors of 40 and 60 are 2, 2, 5. Okay. So therefore HCF of 40 and 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So this is the answer. HCF of 40 and 60 is 20. So this is your prime factorization method. Let's solve the same problem using division method. Using division method. Okay, so what is division method? Divide greater number by smaller number Divide the divisor by remainder. Okay. So what is division method? How we have to do? Divide greater number by the smaller number. So 60 is your greater number. So I'll divide this greater number by the smaller number 40. So 40 ones are 40. So the remainder is 20. And the next, divide the divisor by remainder. Divide the divisor by the remainder. Divide the divisor by the remainder. Okay. 20. 22's 200, 2 2s are 4. 22's 40. So the remainder is 0 here. Okay. The remainder is 0. So what is the answer? 20 is your answer. Therefore, H.C.F of 40 and 60 is 20. So this is your division method. Let's see another problem on division method. Find the H.C.F of 140 and 200 by division method. Solution. So firstly what you have to do? You have to divide the greater number by the smaller number. 200, 140. So 140 ones are 140. So the remainder will be 60. Okay. 10 minus 4, 6, 0 minus 0, 0. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to divide the divisor by remainder. So 140 is divided by 60. 16 to 2's, 200, 2 6 are 12. 62's are 120. The remainder is 20. Again what you will do? You will divide the divisor by remainder. Again 20 into 3, 300, 3 2's are 6. So 23's are 60. 0. So what is H.C.F here? Answer is 20. Therefore, H.C.F of 40 and 60 is 20. Okay. Let's see another problem. Find the H.C.F of 324, 630 and 342 by division method. Okay, so they have given 3 numbers more than 2. Find the H.C.F of 1, 2 and 3. 3 numbers by division method. Okay, firstly consider these 2 numbers. Okay, 630 divided by 324. ones are 324. 10 minus 4 is 6, 0, 3. Now you have to divide the divisor by remainder. 306 ones are 306. 14 minus 6, 8, 1, 3 minus 3 is 0. Again, divide the divisor by remainder. 18s. 18 sevens. 7 eights are 56. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Into 1 eights are 8. 1 ones are 1. 6, 0, 1, 1, 1, 3. 306. So 18 17s are 306. So here the answer is 18 for these two numbers, but we are having another number. So now what you'll do is you'll use these two numbers to find H.C.F. 18, 342. Okay, 18 17s are 306. So let's check for 18 into 19s. 9 8s are 72. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 1 8 8. 1, 2. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 1 1 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 18 19s, 342. Okay. So the final answer is 18. So therefore, HCF of 324, that is 324, 630 and 342 is 18. Okay. So this is all for now. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.